Alright, we're gonna make some easy jambalaya. I got 2 turkey sausages here and we're gonna dice them up. Alright, now we have them cut up. We're gonna get a large Dutch oven and put some butter in it and brown them on both sides. I'm gonna add my butter and a little bit of oil. Have the sausage in there, we're gonna stir it, brown it on both sides on medium-high heat. And we got that brown in, we're gonna add this Cajun style. It's celery, green pepper, and onion. But if you don't have that, you can just chop you up some onion, bell pepper, and celery. You know what I mean? And stir it up. Alright, we're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes. Stir that up. We got about 2 cups of cooked chicken. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh yeah. Alright, now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and just a little bit of red pepper. 4 cups of chicken stock. Pour that in. 2 bay leaves, and just a little bit of red crushed. Bring that to a boil, cut it down to 3, cook it uncovered for about 1 hour. Then we're gonna bring the jambalaya back to a boil. Once we do that, go ahead and add 2 cups of rice. Stir it up. Then we're gonna cut it down to like 2.5 and cook it for like 25 minutes. Let's go. And ready to serve. That's it. Put it in the bowl, serve it up.